I like using this 5-second UV activated glue for anything that you need hold together. Just a little dab, and then you could use other glue if you want. Like on the LED, I put a little dab. I'll just shine this on it for a few seconds. And that's it. Hold it in place. Beauty. I even used the 5-second glue, UV activated, covered the solder joints to seal them. The UV light. That's good. I have all my LEDs hooked up now, the beacon light. And thanks to Kevy's RC and Music on YouTube, that's his channel. He gave me a tip, because he has a Blizzard also, about using the JST plugs on the LEDs. And that's what I did, and it worked like a champ. Thank you. I appreciate the tip. I'm going to put a little dab of this UV glue in here. To hold it from vibrates. Vibrate no more. Shenlanko here. Now I got associated 15 tooth pinions for the 1/18 scale 18T. I'm gonna take off the stock 16s. I'm gonna go with the 15s on the latraxxas 28 turn motors. I think that should work great. I'm gonna have to try it out. Just a quick tip here. I like using this Tamiya gel type red thread lock because you could remove it a little easier than the blue stuff, but it takes longer to dry too, so you could adjust stuff better. So this is what I use. Okay, I have my associated 15 tooth pinion gears installed. Now I'm going to show you what my lights look like. And then I'm going to have to try and take it out in the driveway and just give it a quick spin because I think it might be raining out. So we'll see what happens.